All right, this is the Boom Pals app, and we've got the Victrola Aviator. And we got one of these last year, and it was from eBay, I think. This is from Amazon. And the one we got from eBay played fast speed.
On the records.
Yeah. So this it's got the USB and Bluetooth, and it can record MP3s from the albums. So we'll take a look at.
It says on the front 3-speed turntable, Bluetooth connectability, FM radio and analog tuner, USB player, cassettes, CD player.
Side here we got some wires for recording.
3.5 aux in, whatever that is.
That's the auxiliary.
It says you can record from vinyl
here.
to MP3.
All right, we got the instructions. Got some software for recording, the warranty card, some wires, and
I like
this one's black.
Yeah, I like the black. And the picture doesn't.
Hold, please.
I'm gonna do the same thing on this side.
All right.
Oh, sorry.
This has a remote in there somewhere.
There it is.
Just slide it off, Uber.
Here's the remote. Here's the remote.
Probably not.
That looks nice. Hopefully everything stayed well in shipping, so it didn't get damaged. Don't see any damage on you, do you?
Victrola right on the inside.
Yeah.
You can't see it. There we go.
Front.
Bag off of it.
I think that camera holding is not as good as
Just set it back
holding
down. You're
it
right.
with your hand, where you can actually see
don't
where you're
bang it.
aiming. It looks crooked.
I like the way you narrate this as we go. Well, we'll play some, see if we can find something that's not copyrighted. Play some. While my helper's plugging this in, it shows you have the cassette. Now, what's the difference between this one and the one you had?
Mine has a big red, not really big red. It has
got
like
a
a
record
record
button?
button on it. And I don't think it has these things.
Well, there's just
kinda-
lights.
Seems bigger.
We'll turn it on.
And,
Whoop, turn that down. Well, we've been playing with it, and it sounds good, and it's not. Then what this one did was it every now and then plays a little fast. This one also has a record button for whenever you just record straight to USB. This one you have to hook it up to the computer. But it does have a USB where you can play songs,
these
CD,
weird light
radio,
things. This one doesn't have that.
of course the record, and the cassette. It
Oh,
needs an
that's
8-track.
nice.
That's what it needs, an 8-track.
Mine's
There's
called
many
Pat.
8-track stuff.
Mine's
Threw those in the
called
garbage.
Throw 'em in the garbage.
Mine's called Pat.
Come on.
8-track.
I love mine.
Everything works good on it. Let's see, what was some of the complaints about it? That whenever you turn it on, the volume was immediately too loud and you couldn't adjust it.
Yeah,
That was a complaint. They said they had problems with the manufacturer when they tried to get it fixed. But there's no problems with this one. This one looks good. It plays good. And
Well, like, okay, something I noticed when playing the CDs, it would like make a weirdish sound before it.
Before the song came on?
do you think it's from the CD?
Like from maybe from like the disc turning or something.
Mm-hmm.
But like,
But I think this is pretty cool.
It's a good deal for the price.
Yeah, I mean, this was $85 and it records. You have to hook it up to your computer to record. But I hope it does better than this, because this, every time I tried to record it, it wouldn't do tracks. It would do, like, record a whole side of an album or a whole side of a cassette onto an MP3 onto the USB
Is
stick.
that kind still for sale?
Yeah, I believe it is.
It's the same brand?
This is the
it doesn't have,
this
like,
is
the
the Aviator,
something.
and what, I can't remember what this one is. But I'll go find out. I believe this one is the Navigator, which has the record built into it. You can do it on USB. This one, you have to go through a computer, and it has a cord that comes with it, and you can hook it up in the back. And you just run that to your computer. It has a software disk that comes with it, and that's how you record your records or cassettes to MP3s. But so far, everything seems to work very well. I like it. That one's 2 years old. This is the new one. Boom Pals out. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.